Hi, my name is Edith, and the speech I'm doing today is about global warming, and this is my audience. Okay, global warming is a topic stressed upon by many people worldwide, but if you step back and look at the big picture, you would ask the same question that I'm asking today: should we be stressed about it? After years of research and programs, billions of dollars wasted away, global warming is still a controversial issue in the world today. Global warming is an increased temperature worldwide, which is a serious problem that affects our planet. And people may not notice, but it does affect us as a whole group. The effect of global warming includes melting of the polar ice caps, the rise of sea levels, the climate change, water contamination, devastation of the ecosystem, and so on. Humans are to blame for global warming because of population growth. The more people we have, the more needs we need, and to use non-environmental safe products, and the most important, deforestation. Firstly, the increase of population has a major effect on global warming. Population causes more cars, boats, planes, all those cause carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which is really bad for us because the temperatures rise, and something like that, the icebergs in Antarctica, they're starting to melt, and which means our polar bears will go extinct one day. In every day, million tons of carbon dioxide enters in the air with increased temperatures of our planet. If we don't change it could change our lives forever. Deforestation had and still continues to have a big effect on global warming. An example of this is the Amazon rainforest. When we are cutting trees, the process of photosynthesis can't take place. Therefore, large amounts of carbon dioxide are left in the air, and then it's less oxygen, which all affect the ozone layer. Which are actions we keep losing temperature forests. Keeping temperature forests are important because they serve a big part in reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Using non-environmental safe products is a big problem also. We use things such as hairsprays, which are aerosols, which form holes in the ozone layer. This raises the temperature and also keeps infrared light from leaving the earth. In conclusion, humans are to blame for global warming because of the population growth, the use of non-environmental safe products, and deforestation. We need to do something about our actions, changing the products we use or reducing the amount of fossil fuel we burn. It's up to us to fix the problem that we have created. There's so many benefits that we can have if we do this change. The most significant step we can take to reduce carbon pollution, is to set practical, feasible limits on the major sources such as cars and power plants. Under the Clean Air, the nation's bedrock air pollution law, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has the authority and responsibility to establish limits for carbon pollution for all major sources, which the U.S. Supreme Court reaffirmed in 2007. Well-designed and properly implemented pollution standards deliver multiple benefits. First, the foremost, we will ever have cleaner air and a safer environment for the future generation. Laws like Clean Air, which is reducing some pollutants by more than 90%, save tens of thousands of lives each year, and hundreds of thousands hospital visits. Smart investments in green job creating industries. Investing in clean air industries such as wind and solar, as well as energy efficiency programs and retooling manufacturing plants, can lead us out of crisis and into a new clean energy economy. Second thing is jobs. Millions of jobs would be saved. Manufacturing solar panels and wind turbines and retrofitting homes will get Americans work back on their feet and get our economy rolling back again. Studies show that investing in clean air technologies will produce more jobs than similar investments in oil and gas. And these jobs can be created without increasing the federal debt. Investments in clean energy will also help end Americans' oil addiction and usher a new source energy future. Breaking our oil addictions and retooling plants to manufacture and fuel cars that consume our demanding, including hybrids and plug-in hybrids, save gas. High mileage cars use less gas, help keep American dollars at home and in our pockets. Retooling auto plants would help U.S. car makers meet the demand for fuel-efficient cars, find probability at home, and compete once. Making buildings more energy efficient. Buildings are the appliances within them account of 40% of America's energy use and a third of our global warming emissions. Building walkable communities near transportation hubs instead of far-flung car-dependent suburbs, we also need to invest in and expand public transportation, such as commuter rail, to give people real transportation shorter. Shorter drive times equals less pollution. Less time behind the wheel means less money spent on gas, and that would really help our economy with money-wise, and it would help us fix global warming. And that is why I believe that we should start being a little more eco-friendly so we can have a better life.